All right, class, one more little quick video. This goes with Windows Materials Framing Estimating Review, okay? You've done that, some of you have done that, but I'm gonna allow you to do it again, okay? Because I want you to understand how to estimate these materials. So real quick, it was set up like this. It said to make you a drawing to do your estimating from. I've already made it here for you. It said the building was 100 feet long and 50 foot wide. It had one wall in the middle that made it 2 rooms 50 foot by 50 foot. That's the only place that wall could go to make 2 rooms 50 foot by 50 foot. Okay, so now you have 2 rooms 50 foot by 50 foot. Okay, and it said each room has a door that is a 3068. So I put the doors, and it says it's framed with 2x4 studs 16 inches on center. That's all you need. Number 1 was a gimme question, and some of you missed it. How many plates are on a wall? 3. The sole plate, the top plate, and the double top plate. That was a gimme question. Just helps you when you're figuring the amount of material for wall plates to know you always multiply by 3. Question 2. How many feet of 2x4 do you need to buy in order to make all the wall plates that are needed for this building? Now, I'm not going to do this for you, but I'm going to show you what you should have done. Add up all the walls. Here's a wall. Here's a wall. Here's a wall. Here's a wall. And here's a wall. So you've got 1, 2, 3. You got 5 walls to add up all the length. Okay? And we just said there's 3 plates. So add the length of all 5 walls and multiply by 3. And now you have how many feet of 2x4 you need for all the plates. Does that make sense? Number 2 said, how many studs do you need to buy for the building? Studs that you learned in your book, General Industry Rule, 1 stud per every 12 inches of wall plate. You've already added up all the wall plates. Get that total number of wall plates, that total length. Now, before you multiply it by 3, just get the total wall plates. This wall, this wall, this wall, this wall, and this wall. That's your number of studs. That's your number of studs. How many corner braces will you need? Your book taught you every outside corner has 2 braces. I see 4 outside corners. 4 times 2. What is the rough opening for the doors on the building? 2 doors. They say they're 3068. Decode. Convert to inches, and then you add something to get the rough opening. You should know how to do that. That would tell you what the rough opening is. Next question. What will be the header length of the doors on the building? Decode the size, go to inches, add something to get the rough opening, and then add something else to get how long the header is. We just went over all that. So you should have been able to answer all 6 of those without a problem. Number 7 is a little hard. The headers are made up of double 2x10s. I did not have any 2x10s at my house, but you know a 2x10 is 1.5 inches by 9 1/4. So you're pretending it's 2 of them put together to make a header. It said, how many 16-foot 2x10s would you need to buy to build these headers? Well, if you figured the size of the doors, the rough openings, and the length of the headers, you should have got a length in inches. Okay, I'm going to leave that for you to do. When you get your length in inches, it takes 2 pieces for every header. So length in inches times 2. That gives you a measurement in inches. 2 doors. That measurement in inches times 2. You now have a big length in inches for how much you would have to buy to build these. And I said how many 16-footers. So you've got to do some math to convert those inches to 16-foot pieces. And that would answer number 7. So this should get you through that materials estimating. It would also help you to go back and do Module 6 Assignment 5A, which had some estimating. This all fits in with, if we were still at school, the new field house is under construction at the baseball field, and we were supposed to build the walls, so I would be handing you all of those blueprints and saying, tell me how many 2x4s to buy. And I would hope some of you would have been able to figure that out so we could go down and build those walls. But go back over this, go back over my other video, and resubmit some of these assignments to make hundreds. See you, Carpenter Oil.